I prepared and handled raw food.
I hunt it. You cook it.
You shot a chicken?
Come on, honey, save the jokes. We're starving here.
Yeah!
Strange. I feel as if I've never done this before in my life.
Dad, are you and Uncle Billy really gonna open up a miniature golf course?
Nah, we're just gonna build it as soon as somebody gives us the money.
What's miniature golf? For midget brains like you. He's only asking. You shut up!
You guys can't do this on
Nice blonde, okay.
I got it.
You know, you're gonna make that turtle sick again. You gotta breathe on it.
Oh. Look at me, Dad!
Nothing's happening.
Well, Pumpkin, you gotta light the burner. 30 seconds.
29, 28, 27.
Hey, come here. Sit down. Let me see your hand.
I smell hair.
I'll get the burn ointment. You'll be all right.